Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, October 27th, 2020, and our ICANN says I can find the area of a shape. Tomorrow's trunk or treat, so join us in the front and back parking lot so you can trunk or treat, get a bag of candy, come pick up your report card, get any books if you need them. Lots of your fourth grade teachers will be there. Make sure you join us. All right, here's number one. We're going to pretend that this is my yard. And I'm going to tell you that it is 9 feet long and 5 feet wide. Today we're trying to find the area of the shape. The area means the space inside. This is where Samson can play. We want to know how many square feet can Samson run in the backyard. So one of my choices is I could count all the boxes in here. So if it's 5 feet across, I draw 4 lines down. You can just watch this part. I know the boxes are hard. And 9 across, that means I need to draw 8 lines. Oh, that's pretty good. And now I could just count up my boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Samson would have 45 squares that he could play on in the backyard. The area is the space on the inside. The perimeter is the fencing. It's the straight lines on the outside. This is how much fence we would have to buy. That's what we did yesterday, the fencing on the outside. Today we're finding the area on the inside. Now, instead of drawing the lines and counting the boxes every time, we have a shortcut. It's called the area formula. Area equals length times width. Shorter than yesterday's formula, isn't it? Yesterday we were finding the perimeter. Perimeter equaled length plus width plus width. These are different formulas. Area we're multiplying, perimeter we're adding. We have a great story we're going to tell you about that tomorrow. So let's find the area for this shape. Area equals length times width. I'm going to write it again. Area equals, what is my length? All right, if we want to say 5, that's 5. 5 times 9. And the area equals 45. Now I put feet, and I put a tiny little 2. That means square feet. You could also write area equals 45, and if you wanted to put an SQ for square feet, that would be fine. Either one of these are correct. The only thing that would be wrong is if you just put 45 feet, that would be incorrect. Because we're not talking about the straight lines around the edges, we're talking about the squares on the inside. We're trying to find the area on the inside. All right. The area of this shape is 45 square feet. Now look, just to prove something to ourselves, let's go ahead and find the perimeter for this shape as well. The perimeter equals length plus width plus width. The perimeter equals 10 plus 18. The perimeter equals 28 feet. And they're just plain old feet because they're not counting squares. The perimeter, I'm just counting the edge. So are my area and my perimeter the same? No. So be really careful because the area formula will help you find your answer very quickly. All right, here's number 2. Number 2, let's take our box here. It's going to be a differently shaped yard. This is like an outdoor patio. And you might have a tiny little dog, and he just needs a little bit of space. So he has 7 feet on the top, and he has 6 feet on the side. So how will we find the area that your dog has to play? The area is on the inside. I'm going to write the formula. Area equals length times width. Area equals 7 times 6. Area equals 42 feet squared. Remember, if it's area, it has to be square feet. If you prefer, you can write the area equals 42 square feet. Either one of those is correct. Not so bad, right? All right, let's try one more just like this. Here's number 3. Number 3 says, "9 feet and 6 feet." They want to know the area inside this yard. This is a little bit bigger of a yard. Well, the area equals length times width. Area equals 9 times 6. Area equals 54 square feet. Not so bad. Okay, so let's try one with the missing sides. We had a missing side yesterday, and we did 3 of them actually, and they got a little bit easier as we practiced. Let's do a couple with missing sides today too. Here's number 4. Here's our shape. It looks like a square, but we can't ever guess that it's a square. I'm going to tell you the top is 6, and the side is question mark. But I will tell you that the area equals 30 square miles. Miles are pretty big. So if I hear the word area, what do I need to write down? Area equals length times width. Area equals, now wait a second, I made a too fast 4th grade teacher mistake. I know what the area is. How much is the area worth? It's worth 30. 30 square miles equals 6 times what number? Now, some of you multiplication masters know this in your head. 6 times what equals 30? If you don't know it in your head, you can skip count by 6s until you get to a number. All right. 30 equals 6 times 5. And so what's my missing side? 5 miles. All right. 2 more and we are done for today. I'm flipping to the back. Remember, we're using the front and back of every page. Here we go. Here's number 5. Number 5 is a tall, skinny one. I'm going to tell you the top is 2 feet. This is like a lap pool. It only has 1 lane in it, but it's the whole length of a lap. And I'm going to tell you the side is question mark. I have no idea. But I will tell you the area equals 20 square feet. I heard the word area, so I'm going to write the area formula down. Area equals length times width. Do I know what the area equals? Yes. 20 equals 2 times the width. Do we know 20 times some 2 times some number to equal 20? Yeah. 2 times 10 equals 20. So what's my missing side? My missing side is 10 feet long. All right, last one. Here's number 6. Here's our shape. It's always a closed shape. Remember, you don't want your dog to escape. If this is the area inside that they can play, you need it to be closed off so your dog doesn't go running in the street. That wouldn't be very safe. All right, I'm going to tell you the side is 4. which of course means this side is 4 too. But I'm going to tell you I don't know what the top is, which of course means I have no idea what the bottom is either, right? But I do know that the area equals 28 feet. As soon as I hear the word area, I write down my formula. Area equals length times width. Do I know what the area is? Yes, it told me. 28 equals 4 times W. We don't know what that W is, but I bet somebody knows their 4 facts. 4 times what gives us 28? 4 times 7 equals 28, and my missing side is 7. Nice job. Good work. We found our area. You can listen to the song again if you get confused. Otherwise, do a nice job on your practice. Make sure that you write the formula every time. Have a great day.